what's going on, guys? Gaming Moose here. In today's video, me and my brother are trying to play on Frozen Over, the map, and Balloons BTD6, and we are going to only use the buccaneer.
Hi.
So let's get into the video. So this is the buccaneer monkey for you guys that don't know, and I'm gonna put mine here.
I'm gonna put mine there.
Nice.
Store it. We are nice with the ice. That was easy. You can see the monkey inside of the ice.
Yes.
He has died over it. Oh. He's a caveman. He's still blinking.
Oh gosh, he is still blinking.
He's still alive under the ice.
Yep.
I'm gonna catch you.
Bow, 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 bow.
I can't buy a buccaneer monkey. Only a few more dollars until I can buy a buccaneer.
Okay, Jack, hold on. I saw this guy and put him here. Okay, so it's been a few rounds. We're at round 20 of 40.
Yes.
And we have a few buccaneer monkeys here. White balloons aren't much of a worry. And this guy needs a grape shot. We're just destroying. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's gone. Yep, we just deleted it.
And I just stuffed it.
Okay, well, we're going into free play.
Yeah.
Here we go. Cannon destroyer. He's shooting like 30 grapes. Okay, guys, here's the big round.
He's coming in.
He's already like half health, and just from the airplanes. Yeah, he's gone.
Oh, Moabs.
Deleted.
No, it's not a Moab. Wait, is it a Moab? I don't know.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
That's not good.
Oh.
That's really not good.
We're okay. Oh, no.
Okay,
Yeah,
we
we're
good.
okay. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Barely.
They should have added
Oh no. Oh no, we dead.
No, we got this. We got this. We got this. Come on. We got this.
Oh yeah, we got it.
Yeah.
But
totally.
can we take on this wave?
We got this.
There's armies of lead balloon.
We might not got this. Now we got it. We got
Let
it.
me steal one of them boys. I couldn't handle it. 3 reinforced Moab scared me.
I hope that we
I
do.
forgot we can place banana farms.
Oh yeah.
That's not good. Oh no.
Well, okay.
No, we're not okay.
Oh no. Maybe. Oh, no.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did.
Yep. Well, we
That
made.
was fun.
Yep, we made it to round 76 with only
The
buccaneer monkey. So that was fun, I guess. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I have a Discord if you want to join. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye, guys.